Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 4th Congress of Salesian Education took place online from 17th to 19th November on the theme, The Challenges for Youth for Social Transformation. The event was organized by the Salesian Polytechnic University of Ecuador and brought together 645 participants, both Ecuadorians and from other countries. God wills, man dreams, the work is born. This brief as is profound verse by the famous Portuguese poet Fernando Pessoa well applies to the latest success of the Salesians of Mogo Ferris. From the beginning of the new school year at the Salesian House, which already has a secondary school, various extracurricular activities, a parish and shrine, a primary school has now also been established. On Friday, 13th November, in memory of Salesian Blessed Artemide Zati, the Salesian community of Sandiki, just outside Florence, opened a semi-residential community for young people in times of closure, a good sign of openness to the city and the territory. Father Nicholas Chebuez, a young Nigerian Salesian, has been serving young people in need in Hong Kong since 2016. His personal experience as a Christian, Don Bosco's spiritual son and missionary, led him to say bluntly, God is truly present in every culture. In the Saint John Bosco province of the Northern Philippines, FIN, the tradition of celebrating a mission month from 11th October to 11th November has existed for years. Today, Father Jose Armando Cortex, also known as Father Ding among his brothers, the FIN Provincial Delegate for Missionary Animation, speaks of this and of missionary animation in the province. The Association of Salesian Past Pupils of the Seng Thong Vitaya School Institute, Songkhla Province, under the guidance of Pudit Pong Acha, organized the 9th football tournament of the reunion of past pupils. 23 teams made up of 20 players each participated. The Salesian province of Thailand fosters the establishment of association of past pupils to continue helping them to nourish the education and formation they received in the institutes and support them in building a solid foundation of life for the good of society and the church. On 22nd November, in the Salesian Church in Bethlehem, Father Alejandro Leon Mendoza, Provincial of the Salesian Middle East Province MOR, presided over the perpetual professions of 5 Salesians. On November 22nd, Pope Francis presided over the Eucharistic celebration, at the end of which a representation of young Panamanians handed over the symbols of World Youth Days, the cross and the icon of Mary, Salus Populi Romani, to a group of Portuguese youth. It is an important step, said the Pope, in the pilgrimage that will lead us to Lisbon in 2023. On 22nd November, in the Church of the Salesian Pontifical University, Salesian Augustus Samuel Francisco was ordained a priest by laying on of hands and the consecratory prayer of Monsignor Enrico Dal Covolo SDB. Also present at the ceremony were Father Ivo Coelho, General Counselor for Formation, Father Alphonse Awudu, Counselor for the Africa-Madagascar region, and Father Guillermo Bassanis, Extraordinary Visitor at Newton and Pro Tempore. On 21st November, in the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, Salesian Cardinal Daniel Sturla, Archbishop of Montevideo, ordained 2 Salesians, Nicolas Soto and Dominic Tran. The ceremony was concelebrated by Monsignor Pablo Jordan, Auxiliary Bishop of Montevideo, and Father Alfonso Bauer, Provincial of the Salesian Province of Uruguay, URU. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.